Hi, this is Cassandra. Today I'm here to review the Ze&Li Mandoline Slicer. And if you've never tried a mandolin slicer, the one thing to remember, be very, very careful. They're very, very sharp. Now this is one of the top of the line mandolin slicers. If you've seen them before, they're usually plastic and they do work, but they don't work as good as this one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Here is the mandolin slicer. And I'm going to turn it on its side so you can see. The inserts go in here and they just come out and they come back in. It's got a foldable stand and each one of them has rubber on the bottom so they don't move when you're using them. The other thing it comes with is it comes with extra different blades and it comes with the protective guard. So you're using this when you go up and down, so do not use the mandolin unless you are using this because these blades are extremely sharp and they will take a fingertip off. So you get the different blades. I'll take this one out and show you. This is one of the julienne blades. Julienne, I should say. This is one of the cutting blades, and there's different thicknesses, and I'd have to actually get my magnifying glass if I can see which one this is. Even I can't read it. Sorry about that. This is another cutting blade. One is thin and one is a little bit thicker. One's a 1/4 inch and one I believe is a 1/2 inch. Here's another julienne blade. This one makes the bigger fries. I believe that's probably like about your shoestring fries. This is more about like your little tiny carrot sticks and things like that. Now what can you cut with a julienne, with a mandolin? You can cut anything you want. Vegetables, potatoes, you name it. And we're going to try each one of these and see how they do. So I've gone ahead and I've got my potato. I've just cut the ends off. Now this right here is also, these are very sharp. These are metal. So when you store it with your mandolin. And if your mandolin is flat, store it above your blade because you don't want anyone storing this getting cut on this, and store it away from children. You don't want them to use it. So I'm going to put this up and the blades go all the way down. I'm going to take my potato and I'm going to put it in the middle and I'm going to push it all the way down. Now, in order to use this, you start at the top and you go down the bottom. You go down the bottom. And you go down the bottom, and you go down the bottom. Now, let me show you exactly what I've got. I've got little tiny, these are perfect for hash browns. And we love hash browns around here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just push these off to the side. Alright, and I'm going to change this blade. And all you do is pull out and put it to the side. I'm going to go ahead and add, this is one of the cutting blades. And there's a little red button here, and all you do is you push down on it, push down on the button. It helps if I put the blade on the right place. Push down on the button and make sure it's in the center there. See right there? And I'll have a little bit of space here. So now I'm going to go here, and I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut, and I'm going to cut. Just like that. And now, I've got little potato slices. Perfect for like scalloped potatoes. Go ahead and move these over here. I'm going to push the button down, that little red button right there, and I'm going to go ahead and grab another one. Alright. So now I'm going to push this in, making sure the button's right there. Let's go ahead and try another one. As you can see, I can go up and down these. On the julienne ones, you really can't. Now, these are a little bit thicker potato wedges. I'll show you the difference. Thicker and thinner. I think this is a 1/4 inch, this is a 1/2 inch. So, a little bit thicker. These are like for if you want to do some fried potato wedges. Go ahead and push the button down. Take this one out. This is, let's see, let's try the two of them. This is the smaller julienne potatoes. So let's go ahead and push this one in. Got my little button in. And let's push down, push down. And now on this one, I'm getting down to my potato, so I'm going to need to start pressing potato down. Now you see these slides on the slide? Now that I'm getting lower, it'll go ahead and slide itself down. And here's what I'm getting. I'm getting like the little tiny fries that you can use for like when you're making, go ahead and use zucchini, and you can make like zucchini sticks. So I'm going to pull that one out. And now, let's move this a little to the side. I'm going to go ahead and use the bigger one. I'm going to make sure, push the button down so it's in, and now let's give it a try. Now when you're doing this, if it's all the way sliding, push down on the top handles to make sure it goes down. Uh-oh, the potato came off, but that's okay because I still got plenty. And look, these are for French fries. Now, if I was doing real French fries, what I could do is I could take another potato like this. I'm going to cut it off. And this time, I'm going to lay it in this direction. Make sure I got it like that. And I'm going to do them long ways. Whoops. I'm trying to do it backwards. So let me take my potato back out. Push it back out. Pulled off. It needs to go this way, so I need my potato to go long ways. There we go. Now I got it right. What I needed to do is I need the potato to go the same way as the guard. All right, now I got it. And once it's down on the guard, just continue to go. Perfect. Now I have long French fries. And we're definitely going to be eating these today. So this is so easy and so quick. Now for cleanup. Be very careful when you're washing these. They can go in the dishwasher, but be very careful if you're putting them in the dishwasher. And then with this, I usually hand wash it. I want my stainless steel to stay really fresh, and stainless steel is sharp, so I hand wash it, but this is an extremely sharp blade, and you have to make sure and wash it from both sides. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. I love this mandolin slicer from Ze&Li. I hope you've learned something, and thank you so very much again for watching my review. Hi, this is Cassandra. Today I'm here to review the Ze&Li Mandoline Slicer. And if you've never tried a mandolin slicer, the one thing to remember, be very, very careful. They're very, very sharp. Now this is one of the top of the line mandolin slicers. If you've seen them before, they're usually plastic, and they do work, but they don't work as good as this one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Here is the mandolin slicer. And I'm going to turn it on its side so you can see. The inserts go in here, and they just come out, and they come back in. It's got a foldable stand, and each one of them has rubber on the bottom so they don't move when you're using them. The other